Hey everyone, it's Kayla. Welcome back. I have not been around in a while, well, a week and a half, so it's a little bit longer than I'd like to wait to post videos, but summer's just been so busy. I hope you're all having a wonderful summer so far. I've been busy with some family gatherings and then trying to get ready for my vacation, and work has been busy, so I apologize for being behind on my comments and answering my comments and commenting on your videos if you're a YouTuber, so I will catch up, I promise, and I'm behind on filming too, so got a lot going on, but that's what summertime's all about, right? But at least we're having fun. So I'm back today. I wanted to jump in and show you a new box, at least to my channel, and it's called the Luxury Diva Accessories box. So I've been watching this box for a little while. I've seen a couple YouTubers unbox this, and one of my friends, Robin, from Robin's Closet, unboxes this box, and so I used her code, and I think the box was $35, but with her code I got $5 off, and so my box was $30. So what I like about this box so far, I haven't even opened it yet. I just cut the tape, and this did come inside another box too, which I like to kind of protect it. What I like about this box is that you can just order it on a month-by-month basis. You don't have to subscribe to this box, so that's nice. That was one of the options. You could do just the 1 month box, or you could choose the monthly subscription, but I thought, you know what, let me just see if I like it for myself and do the 1 month subscription. So that's what I did, and so here we are. So I'm gonna dig in because I'm so excited to share what I got. I don't think I paid shipping on top of it either, so that was nice. And if I have a code, I'll leave it. If not, I'll leave hers, because why not, right? So, all right, so the first thing I have, it's a little postcard. We are all created equal, then we accessorize. Oh, that's really cute. And then, oh, here's a little note. It says, hello, Kayla. Thank you for purchasing an LD box. I hope you love this month's July box, because I sure do. I have based your box around your favorite colors. I love this cover up in here. Enjoy everything. Love, Marina. So, oh, cute little chapstick too right here. Love those little touches on the boxes like that. And then, oh, just kind of what you see, kind of an informational sheet here. Save $5. I did fill out a small profile. I checked out first. Then I got an email that said, click this link to fill out your profile. And so I did do that. And it was a short profile, but kind of my preferences and things like that. And then here, oh, it looks like this is a style guide. Cool, I'm excited. So here's my box. So here's proof, you know, oh yeah, I'm gonna hit myself in the face. So, you know, here's proof I did not cut open the tape. It's still intact. So let's dig in. Okay, so, oh, more paper. Okay, so so the total retail value of the July box is $130. So it tells me what I got in my box and what everything is worth. So I'll keep that right here so that I can reference that if I need to. But first, it looks like I have this necklace. This is really pretty. So it's a silver necklace. I'm sorry for the light. Let me see. So this silver necklace is a sterling silver plated circle pendant and necklace, and it says it's worth $28. So that's really pretty. I'm not going to take it out of the packaging right now. And then next I have, whoops, look at this red bag. How cute is this? So this red bag, oh, it's a waist bag. So it's a red quilted crossbody waist bag, $20. So it's available in other colors, but I got red. So it looks like it's one of those like fanny packs, but a fashionable one. So how cute is this? So let's see. Here's the strap in the back. Let's see the inside. Oops, sorry for the noise. Let me just get rid of the plastic. Oh, okay, so it's got a zipper pouch right here. And then in the front, it looks like it has a little pouch, probably for either a cell phone, maybe some chapped lipsticks or things like that. So that's really cute. Maybe I'll wear that. I don't know. Really cute. All right. And then these are, what are these? Oh, I think these are headbands, but let me look at the sheet. Okay, so 2-pack scrunchy headbands. So these are $15. So these look really cute. So I got a red polka dot one, and then this one looks like a really fun pattern too, with some red, some pinks, black. I like to wear my hair up, especially I'm going to Florida, you guys know, actually next week. So getting stuff together for my trip, and so I'll probably wear my hair up a lot because it's going to be hot and humid, and those will come in handy. So those are cute. And then I also got some socks in this box. So these are the Summer Floral 4-pack ankle socks, and these are valued at $17. And so they're cute. So I've got some navy and pink floral. I've got some turquoise blue. I've got some white and turquoise floral back here, and then some gray floral here. So I do like the ankle socks. I can't wear socks that are higher than ankle length. They just don't, I get warm all the time, so ankle length is perfect for me. And these are really, really cute. They're so fun. So I'm happy to have those. And then what is this? Hang on, let's see what this is. Whoops. Oh, is this a kimono? Oh, if this is a kimono, I'm gonna love this. Okay, I think it is. Oh, this is so pretty. I love this. I'm gonna look at the sheet again. I know I keep pulling for it. This is the black, white, and red floral cover up. So it's valued at $25, but I don't think this is a cover up. I think because it's open, I'd use this as a kimono. So I'm gonna probably come back and try this on for you after I finish. I think I have one more thing in my box, but after that, I love kimono. You know I love kimono. So it is white, red, and black, floral print. So pretty. All right, I'm gonna show you when I try it on. I'm gonna be right back, but let me show you the last item first. And then this, oh, wait a minute. Yeah, okay. So this, yeah, that was the kimono. Oh, this is the towel. It doesn't feel like a towel. Oh, it's a beach blanket. That's what it is. Oh, this is nice. So this is a luxury Divas Bohemian beach blanket, and it's $25. Love the pattern of this, and it's circle. And it's got fringe too. Oh, look at this. How pretty. I'm gonna back up so you can see. Can you see that? Oh, I love that. Look at the pretty print of this beach throw. And look at the fringe. It's got fringe all the way. This is going to Florida with me. Yep. Love it. So pretty. All right, that was my box. So $30 for all of these items, not bad, right? So I'm going to consider doing another box. And I like that you can kind of fill a little profile and they kind of tailor the items to what you like, but we're not done yet. I'm coming right back. I'm going to show you how this kimono looks. I know they're not calling it a kimono, but I am. They're calling it a cover up. I'll be right back and I'll show you how it looks. So hang tight. All right, I told you I was going to show you the kimono, and here it is. Actually, they're calling this the cover up, so we'll call it like it is, but I personally would wear it as a kimono. So it does have these 2 strings on either side, which I am going to cut off as soon as I am done with this video. But you can use these and kind of tie them and use it more as a cover up, which I personally wouldn't do. I would wear open with a black cami, with some black leggings, just like I am now. I'm thinking last day in Florida, coming home, I would probably wear it like this, or even going down to Florida, I'd probably wear it like this for the plane ride. So really, really pretty. It's got the floral print. It is longer, which is nice. So I like it. I think it's cute. Here's the back. Fun, lightweight, easy to wear. So I'm happy to have this and add this to my wardrobe. So thank you for spending some time with me today. I truly appreciate it. I missed being on here, and I have some videos coming up. I've got a lot of clothing boxes. I've got my Ipsy, which I'm still waiting for. I feel like I've gotten mine late, so can't wait for that to come. But stay tuned. I will see you all in my next video, and until then, have a wonderful day. Yeah, I'm playing with these. These are coming off. All right, I'll see you in my next video.